Bonjour, Paris. Welcome to the heart of France, where every corner tells a story and every street is a piece of art. The city is a living, breathing canvas, painted with the hues of history, culture, and romance. The city of lights awaits. Paris is not just a destination, it's an experience, a feeling that lingers long after you've left. The aroma of freshly baked croissants, the sound of street musicians, and the sight of elegant architecture create an ambience that is uniquely Parisian. Paris, the very name evokes images of romance, elegance, and history. From the majestic Eiffel Tower to the charming cobblestone streets, every inch of this city is steeped in beauty and culture. The grand boulevards, the quaint alleyways, and the historic landmarks all tell tales of a city that has been the epicenter of art, fashion, and intellect for centuries. Now, imagine experiencing this magical city during the electrifying atmosphere of the 2024 Olympics. The anticipation is palpable as the city gears up to host this grand event. The preparations are in full swing, with athletes training rigorously and venues being readied to welcome the world. From July 26th to August 11th, Paris will transform into a global hub of sports, culture, and unforgettable moments. The streets will be alive with the spirit of competition and camaraderie. Fans from all over the world will gather, creating a melting pot of cultures and shared passions. Whether you're a die-hard sports enthusiast or simply seeking an enriching travel experience, Paris during the Olympics promises an unparalleled adventure. Imagine cheering for your favorite athletes while exploring the city's iconic landmarks. The blend of sports and sightseeing will make for a truly unique experience. Get ready to witness history in the making as the world's finest athletes compete on this grand stage. The thrill of victory, the agony of defeat, and the stories of perseverance will unfold before your eyes. Each event will be a testament to human spirit and determination. Prepare to be captivated by the electric energy that will pulsate through the city's streets, cafes, and iconic landmarks. Street performers, artists, and musicians will add to the vibrant atmosphere, making every moment memorable. The city will be a continuous celebration, with every corner offering something new and exciting. But Paris is more than just the Olympics. It's a city brimming with world-class museums, stunning architecture, and a certain je ne sais quoi that has captivated travelers for centuries. The art scene is unparalleled, with masterpieces that span centuries and styles. It's a city brimming with world-class museums, stunning architecture, and a certain charm that has captivated travelers for centuries. The Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, and countless other museums house some of the world's most famous artworks. The intricate details of Parisian architecture, from Gothic cathedrals to modern masterpieces, tell the story of a city that has evolved through the ages while preserving its unique character. The intricate details of Parisian architecture, from Gothic cathedrals to modern masterpieces, tell the story of a city that has evolved through the ages while preserving its unique character. Each building, each street, and each monument is a chapter in the grand narrative of Paris. So, pack your bags, brush up on your French, and get ready to fall in love with the City of Lights. Stroll along the Seine River, savor delicious French cuisine, and immerse yourself in the Parisian way of life. The riverbanks offer a serene escape, perfect for leisurely walks and picturesque views. This guide will be your trusty companion as we navigate the Parisian landscape together, uncovering hidden gems and iconic treasures along the way. From the bustling markets of Le Marais to the artistic enclave of Montmartre, there's so much to discover. Each neighborhood has its own unique flavor and charm, waiting to be explored. We'll explore the city's must-see landmarks, delve into charming neighborhoods, and equip you with practical tips to make your trip smooth and enjoyable. Learn the best times to visit popular attractions, how to navigate the metro, and where to find the best croissants. We'll also share insider tips on lesser-known spots that offer a more intimate glimpse of Paris. Get ready for an unforgettable journey. Your Parisian adventure awaits. As the sun sets over the city, the nightlife comes alive with vibrant energy. From cozy wine bars to lively nightclubs, Paris offers a nightlife experience like no other. The city transforms under the night sky, offering a different kind of magic that is just as enchanting.
No trip to Paris is complete without experiencing its iconic landmarks. The City of Lights is a treasure trove of history, art, and culture, each corner telling a story of its own. From the moment you set foot in Paris, you are enveloped in an atmosphere that is both enchanting and timeless. The streets, the architecture, the very air you breathe seems to whisper tales of romance, revolution, and renaissance. These architectural marvels tell the story of Paris, from its medieval roots to its modern-day grandeur. The city's skyline is dotted with structures that have stood the test of time, each one a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of its people. Walking through Paris is like walking through a living museum, where every building and street corner has a piece of history to share. First on our list is the Eiffel Tower, the undisputed symbol of Paris. Standing tall at 324 meters, this iron lattice tower was constructed in 1889 as the entrance arch to the 1889 World's Fair. Today, it attracts millions of visitors from around the globe, all eager to witness its magnificence. The Eiffel Tower is not just a structure, it's a symbol of human achievement and a beacon of architectural innovation. Ascend to its summit for breathtaking panoramic views of the city, especially dazzling when illuminated against the night sky. The Eiffel Tower is not just a monument, it's an experience. As you make your way up, you'll find various viewing platforms, each offering a unique perspective of Paris. The journey to the top is filled with anticipation, and the reward is a view that will leave you speechless. Be sure to pre-book your tickets online to avoid long queues. This will save you time and allow you to enjoy more of what Paris has to offer. The tower is open late into the night, so you can plan your visit to coincide with the sunset or the evening light show. Watching the city transform as the sun sets and the lights come on is a magical experience that you won't want to miss. Next, immerse yourselves in the artistic treasures of the Louvre Museum. Originally a royal palace, the Louvre is now the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris. Its vast collection spans thousands of years and includes works from nearly every civilization on Earth. The Louvre is not just a museum, it's a journey through time and culture. Home to masterpieces like Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo, the Louvre is a testament to human creativity across the ages. The museum's galleries are filled with art that ranges from ancient Egyptian artifacts to Renaissance paintings and modern sculptures. Each piece of art tells a story, and together they weave a rich tapestry of human history and achievement. Allow ample time to explore its vast galleries and consider a guided tour to maximize your experience. Knowledgeable guides can provide insights and stories behind the artworks, making your visit even more enriching. Don't forget to take breaks and enjoy the beautiful courtyards and cafes within the museum. The Louvre is a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of art and history. And let's not forget the Notre Dame Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. This iconic cathedral, with its flying buttresses, gargoyles, and stunning rose windows, has been a central figure in Parisian history for over 850 years. The Notre Dame is not just a building, it's a symbol of faith, resilience, and the enduring spirit of Paris. While still undergoing restoration after the 2019 fire, its exterior remains a powerful symbol of Parisian resilience and history. The efforts to restore Notre Dame are a testament to the dedication of the French people to preserve their cultural heritage. The restoration process itself is a story of hope and determination, a reminder that even in the face of tragedy, beauty and history can be preserved. Take a moment to admire its intricate facade and stained glass windows. Each element of the cathedral tells a story, from the biblical scenes depicted in the glass to the detailed carvings on the exterior. It's a place where history and art come together in perfect harmony. The Notre Dame is a testament to the skill and vision of the artisans who built it, and it continues to inspire awe and reverence in all who visit. These landmarks are not just tourist attractions, they are woven into the very fabric of Parisian identity. They represent the city's rich history, its artistic achievements, and its enduring spirit. Visiting them is like stepping into a living museum, where every street and building has a story to tell. The landmarks of Paris are more than just sights to see. They are experiences to be lived and memories to be cherished. So, take your time, soak in the atmosphere, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're wandering through the halls of the Louvre, gazing up at the Eiffel Tower, or standing in awe of Notre Dame, you'll find that Paris has a way of capturing your heart and leaving an indelible mark on your soul. The City of Lights is a place where dreams come alive, and every moment spent here is a moment to be treasured.
While the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre are must-sees, they are just the beginning of what Paris has to offer. These iconic landmarks are just the tip of the iceberg in a city brimming with history, culture, and endless charm. Venturing beyond these iconic landmarks reveals the true essence of Parisian charm, a charm that is woven into the very fabric of the city. It's in the small details, the hidden corners, and the everyday life of Parisians that the city's magic truly comes alive. Paris is a city best explored on foot, allowing you to stumble upon hidden courtyards, charming cafes, and unique boutiques. Each street has its own story, and every corner you turn offers a new discovery. The cobblestone paths, the scent of fresh pastries wafting from boulangeries, and the sound of street musicians create an atmosphere that is uniquely Parisian. For a taste of bohemian Paris, wander through the cobblestone streets of Montmartre. This neighborhood, perched on a hill, offers a glimpse into the artistic soul of the city. Its narrow, winding streets are filled with history and creativity, making it a must-visit for anyone looking to experience the bohemian spirit of Paris. This hilltop neighborhood was once a haven for artists like Picasso and Renoir, who found inspiration in its winding streets and vibrant atmosphere. The legacy of these great artists can still be felt today, as Montmartre continues to be a hub for creativity and artistic expression. Today, Montmartre retains its artistic spirit with street painters capturing the essence of Paris, charming cafes where you can sit and watch the world go by, and small galleries showcasing the works of contemporary artists. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. And the stunning white-domed Sacré-Cœur Basilica, which offers breathtaking views of the city below. From this vantage point, you can see the sprawling beauty of Paris, a city that has inspired countless artists, writers, and dreamers. Next, lose yourself in the historic Marais district. This area is a delightful blend of old and new, where history meets modernity. The Marais is a neighborhood that has managed to preserve its historical charm while embracing contemporary trends. This charming neighborhood is a blend of medieval architecture, trendy boutiques, and delicious falafel shops. The Marais is a place where you can feel the pulse of Parisian life. Its streets are alive with activity, from bustling markets to quiet hidden gardens. Explore its narrow streets and discover hidden courtyards, art galleries showcasing contemporary works, and quaint shops that offer unique finds. Each turn in the Marais reveals a new surprise, whether it's a centuries-old building or a modern art installation. And don't miss the beautiful Place des Vosges, Paris's oldest planned square. This elegant square is surrounded by perfectly symmetrical buildings and is a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a picnic. It's a serene oasis in the heart of the bustling city. And for a taste of student life, head to the Latin Quarter. This lively neighborhood is full of energy and intellectual vibrancy. The Latin Quarter is a melting pot of ideas, cultures, and youthful enthusiasm. Home to the Sorbonne University, this lively neighborhood is packed with bookshops, cafes, and a youthful spirit that is contagious. The academic atmosphere blends seamlessly with the bohemian vibe, creating a unique and dynamic environment. The Latin Quarter is also home to historic landmarks like the Pantheon, where many of France's great minds are laid to rest. This iconic building stands as a testament to the intellectual and cultural heritage of Paris. It's the perfect place to enjoy a casual meal, browse for souvenirs, or simply soak up the youthful energy that permeates the area. The Latin Quarter offers a vibrant mix of old-world charm and modern-day excitement. The Latin Quarter is a microcosm of Paris itself, blending the old with the new, the scholarly with the bohemian. It's a place where tradition and innovation coexist, creating a rich tapestry of experiences. These neighborhoods offer a glimpse into the real Paris, where locals go about their daily lives amidst history, art, and a certain je ne sais quoi that makes the city so special. It's in these everyday moments that the true spirit of Paris can be found. So, put on your walking shoes, embrace the unexpected, and discover the hidden gems that make Paris so enchanting. From the bustling streets of Montmartre to the serene courtyards of the Marais, every step you take in Paris is a step into a story waiting to be told. Each neighborhood has its own unique character, offering a different perspective on this multifaceted city. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, there's always something new to discover in this city of lights. So, take your time, wander aimlessly, and let Paris reveal its secrets to you. The more you explore, the more you'll fall in love with this enchanting city.
Navigating Paris is a breeze thanks to its efficient and extensive public transportation system. The Paris Metro, with its 16 color-coded lines, is an excellent way to get around the city quickly and affordably. Purchase a Navigo Pass for unlimited travel within a specific zone for the duration of your stay. For a more scenic journey, hop on a bateau bus. These riverboats cruise along the Seine River, offering picturesque views of Parisian landmarks. You can hop on and off at various stops, making it a convenient and enjoyable way to explore the city. Taxis are readily available, but be prepared for traffic, especially during peak hours. Ride-sharing services like Uber and Bolt are also popular alternatives. And don't forget to embrace the Parisian tradition of walking. Paris is a very walkable city, and exploring on foot allows you to soak up the atmosphere and discover hidden gems along the way. Remember, during the Olympics, the city will be bustling with visitors, so allow extra time for travel and be prepared for potential delays. With a little planning and these transportation tips, you'll be navigating Paris like a local in no time.
Welcome to the Champs-Élysées, one of the most famous avenues in the world. This iconic street stretches for nearly 2 kilometers from the Arc de Triomphe to the Place de la Concorde. Known for its luxury shops, theaters, and charming cafes, the Champs-Élysées is a must-visit destination for any traveler exploring Paris. As you stroll down this grand boulevard, you'll be surrounded by a blend of historic and modern architecture. High-end flagship stores like Louis Vuitton and Cartier line the avenue, offering a glimpse into the world of Parisian luxury. But it's not just about shopping. The Champs-Élysées is also home to the Théâtre des Champs-Élysées, where you can catch a world-class performance, and the famous La Durée, where you can indulge in exquisite macarons. Don't miss the chance to relax at one of the many outdoor cafes, sip on a café au lait, and watch the world go by, soaking in the vibrant atmosphere that makes this avenue so special. Whether you're here for the shopping, the culture, or simply to take in the sights, the Champs-Élysées offers a quintessential Parisian experience that you won't forget. So, let's take a tour and discover all that the Champs-Élysées has to offer. From luxury boutiques to historic landmarks, there's something for everyone on this legendary street. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content about Paris and the 2024 Olympics, and stay tuned for special videos about different destinations around the world.